Unlock the power of your finances from anywhere with NatWest Online Banking. First, head to the NatWest website and locate the login button. Clicking this will take you to the secure login page where you'll need to enter your username and password for extra security. You might also be prompted for a memorable word or one-time passcode from your card reader or mobile app. Once logged in, you'll land on your dashboard. This is your central hub, offering a bird's-eye view of your accounts. You'll typically see a summary of your current and savings accounts, displaying their balances and recent activity at a glance. To delve deeper into a specific account, simply click on its name. This will open a detailed view where you can access your transaction history, filter by date, and search for specific payments. You can also view and download your statements here, perfect for record keeping. Managing payments is seamless. Navigate to the Pay and Transfer section. Here, you can set up new payees, make on-off payments to existing ones, or schedule future and recurring transfers. You can also manage direct debits and standing orders, giving you full control over your outgoing funds. Setting up a new payee, straightforward. You'll need their account number and sort code. Once added, you can initiate a payment, entering the amount and a reference. Remember to confirm the details before authorizing the transaction, often with a final security check. Beyond daily banking, NatWest Online Banking offers a suite of other services. You might find options to open new accounts, apply for loans or mortgages, manage your cards, and securely message the NatWest support team. Exploring these sections can help you utilize the full spectrum of what's available to you. Navigating NatWest Online Banking is designed to be intuitive, putting you in charge of your finances with ease and security. For further assistance, explore the help or facts sections directly on the platform.